group modifier, info group modifier. Okay, so we are specifying info group modifier. Earlier in the configuration we missed it, info group modifier. So for example, when you are running an action, say there are regular type of employees and contract employees. For regular employees, you need to capture, for example, time and payment data. For contract employee, in addition to organizational unit and personal data, you need to capture, for example, contract elements, info type 16, for example. So you are talking one action and one info group, but it is done based on the type of employee, whether say contract employee or regular employee, you can maintain. So how do we configure that? Info group modifier executes different types of records in a sequential order by using one action and one info group. Sequential order of info types will be changed based on the info group modifier, the logic you are maintaining in info group modifier. What I will do is I will type SPRO. I'm going to the configuration, so I'm typing SPRO as a preference IMG. Next, you can go to personnel management, personnel administration, customizing procedures, actions. Then you can go for define info groups. Define info group. You can see here user group dependency on menus and info groups. You've been maintaining, for example, you can check it. Okay, so for example, we already maintained some values. Let me check if anything is found. No, it's not existing. Info group we have already created. For example, I'm going to info group 26. Okay, so what I will do is I will remove this and maintain, for example, 007 007 or 105. That is fine. Whatever is existing, we can keep it. I'm going for new entries. Actually, I'm going for new entries, and you can maintain user group 40 info group modifier. We did not maintain while we were configuring the actions, hiring action, for example. So let me maintain 83 any info group number you can maintain. I'm maintaining 83. Here I'm going for 01 INS operation 0001. Let me maintain another next line 40 83 and 02 INS 002 40 83 03 INS and maintaining, for example, 006 0006 subtype 1. Okay, 40 83 04 INS and 0007. 40, let me maintain say 87. This time I'm maintaining info group modifier, other info group modifier I'm maintaining. I'm again starting with 01. Same things I will maintain, but I will try to change the last info type. For example, 40, 87, 87, 02, INS 2, and 40, 87, 87, 03, INS. This time I'll go for 0016 and I will save it. You can go back, go back. You can go to this node, info group modifier. I'm clicking on info group modifier. We are maintaining it based on personal area. Okay, you can click on works. There is no rule that you have to maintain based on personal area. You can also maintain on personal sub area. I'm choosing two personal areas at once. Okay, so for example, I'll maintain this one, transfer. Click on transfer, RL. I'll create RL Bangalore, return value 87. Whatever values we maintained, same values I'm assigning in the info group modifier feature so that it will default based on the selection. I'm activating this feature. Click on enter. Okay, this is generated. You can go back. Okay, you can close this. We will go back and test it. For example, I'll go with PA40 again. I'll try to hire an employee. Okay, I'm hiring an employee. So let me maintain some values. Mr. T, anything. I'll take some name, TST 3, TST 3. Any name, employee name you can maintain. Entering the data and saving it. Okay, I'm saving this one also. Then personal details, I'm saving the personal details. Then the next field is appearing. You can maintain some value, say Hyderabad address I'm maintaining. Next is going for the work schedule rule and all these things. It is going input F7. Okay, then it did not ask for any contract employees because we hired for Hyderabad. It did not ask for any contract details. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll remove this personal number and I'll try to hire another person. For example, I'm trying to hire for Bangalore. I'll take TST for another name and I'm maintaining this data let me maintain 3002. And let's save this. Okay, I'm saving this also one by one. Then I'm saving this one also, personal details. You can save. Then what do we see? We see the contract details, contract elements. System is creating the contract details because we have maintained for one employee group, for a set of employees. It did not ask for contract elements because they are not contract employee. Regular employee, for regular employees they did not ask. But anyway, we maintained the logic based on personnel area. So for one personnel area, it is asking for the contract details, and it is already copy printing these values default secret fixed term, 36 days, 3 months, and all this. It is already maintaining automatically, and you can save it. So this is how the info group modifier is working.